2021 Chevrolet Malibu is brought to you by Twins Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Chevrolet is powered by front-wheel drive, automatic transmission, turbocharged gas i4 1.5L 91 engine, and has 101,940 miles. Drive in style. 2021 Chevrolet Malibu, reliable, affordable, and ready for your next adventure. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.